Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be talking about Charlotte Tilbury's Walk of No Shame collection. And honey, let me tell you, walk away. I have a little bit of an opinion on this. So if you guys are curious about what I think, then let's go. Alright guys, so today I've used the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation, and I used her bronzer, but I think we're going to touch all this up when we're done with our eye look. So for today I'm going to start off by using the Glowgasm face palette in Lovegasm, which is this guy, and I'm going to take a little bit of this bronzer shade and I'm going to pop that into my crease. So we are going to be using the new Charlotte Tilbury jewel pot, and I can already tell you that the pot alone is not going to be enough for me, so I want to make sure that I have a nice little transition shade. I kind of have thoughts on this palette already. I'm taking this right into this inner corner here. I just like the way it looks. Alright guys, so I'm going to be using the Walk of No Shame jewel pot. I don't own any of her previous pots, and just looking at this, I think it's going to pull a little too cranberry on me. We're just gonna try it. So I'm going to go ahead and use it with my finger. People keep comparing this to her rose gold pot, and I don't own any of them. The other thing I've heard is that the packaging on this one isn't as luxe as her other pots, and that you're getting less product and paying more. So this is what this looks like, and now I'm just going to see if I can layer it. I'm actually going to go out and use a brush and see if that makes a difference. Oh yeah. And I'm gonna go ahead and just blend that crease a little bit. It's pretty, but I'm not seeing, I guess it would be honestly what I think what got me was the promo pics. And I wanted to try one of her jewel pots, to be honest with you guys. I think I might have gone the wrong route, because I know that this is probably going to deter me from trying any of her jewel pots out. As it stands right now, I'm not really wowed by this product. I think it's very similar to other things I own, and the other products I have are probably prettier than this. I have some of the Hourglass Scattered light shadows. I have, you know, some Marc Jacobs. I have quite a bit of other products, and as it is right now, like, I'm just not wowed by this. I wanted to be wowed, but I'm not. And I'll tell you guys, I am layering this, and it does layer beautifully. Like, it doesn't look heavy. It doesn't look choppy. It looks pretty, and it does build. And oddly enough, it applies better with a brush, but I'm just not wowed. It's alright. Damn, I hate when that happens. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and freshen up my bronzer. Today I used the shade Tan, and I was trying to film this much earlier in the day, but I ended up having to do some other things, and it's pretty much late afternoon at this point. For my blush, I'm just gonna mix these guys here. Hello guys, I've missed you. I haven't seen you in a minute. I love this. I love this palette. I don't know why it doesn't restock. I think she might have discontinued it and is just keeping the lighter one, but I love this palette. Alright guys, so I just went ahead and I applied a little bit of mascara to my lower lash line, and I'm going to line my lips using my Pillow Talk 2 Medium Lip Pencil, because I did purchase her lip glosses. So I will talk to you guys about those, because those I do like. So the first thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and line my lips. And the first shade I am going to apply is Walk of No Shame. This is such a beautiful color. This is a mauve berry shade with gold, like a gold sheen reflex. It's not glitter, you don't feel it. The cap is nice and textured, the packaging is smooth, it feels very nice and comfortable. I've worn this already and I do really like it. It has a little bit of like a vanilla and mint scent, but it's not plumping. It doesn't irritate your lips by any means. And this is what this color looks like. It is very beautiful. And honestly, I feel like this is the kind of lip that you would wear when you want just like a little hint of color, but don't want to go in with like a full-blown lipstick. And I'll show you guys what it looks like without any liner. The first shade I tried on was Pillow Talk, and I was sure that that was going to be my favorite, but I do really like both of them. It's not a sticky consistency. It doesn't smell like, there is no lingering scent. There is no uncomfortable feeling behind it. Like, it is just a really beautiful gloss. Let's try on Pillow Talk. Here we have Pillow Talk liner, and we're going to apply this and apply our gloss. Here is Pillow Talk, and as you guys can see, it's just a really beautiful, soft, muted nude, and both are equally pretty. I honestly can't pick one over the other, but what I will tell you is that if you are around my skin tone, you can definitely do both. I feel like if you're a little deeper, this might pull a little like gray. You'd have to deepen it with a liner, and I feel like this would just complement any skin tone. I feel like it's one of those shades that would just work with our light-skinned girls, medium, our deeper skin tones. Like, I just feel like she gave us two nice options, and this is what Pillow Talk looks like swatched next to Walk of No Shame. And as you guys can see, they're both pretty pigmented, and I really like the gloss. Now, let's talk details. All right, guys, so the Walk of No Shame Jewel Pot costs $35, and I get a discount with Charlotte Tilbury, and I'll tell you guys, I'm just so unimpressed with how this looks on my lids. Like, it really doesn't have like high shine. It's not, it doesn't look like anything spectacular on me. And it's a product that requires me to add on top of it, and by that I mean I needed to use a crease color so that it would blend. And I guess you don't necessarily have to, but just preference, I would have to go in with something, and I know that I would have to go in with it if it was the Hourglass pots or Marc Jacobs. I'm fully aware of that, but at least with those, you're getting an intense metallic shine. All right, guys, so on Charlotte's website, it says, what makes this little pot so special, right? What's the magic? And it says, a gliding jewel texture to lighten up your eyes and enchant everyone you meet. Diamond powder infuses a jewel-like light, creating a luminosity and natural glowing glow. A multi-layer pearl pigment reflects light and dazzling brilliance. Hyaluronic acid, supercharged hydrating properties. Vitamin E, known for its conditioning and nourishing abilities. Argan oil, rich in vitamin A, E, and omega-6 fatty acids for moisturizing emollient properties. Macadamia oil, fast-absorbing, non-greasing, providing a rich feel to the skin. And rosehip oil, high in vitamin C, linoleic acid, and antioxidants to leave the skin feeling nourished and loved. All right, guys, so this is what I can tell you. It is very creamy to the touch. It does feel like it's a cream. It does glide on. I told you guys that it was layering beautifully and it was building, but I'm just not getting the wow effect. I'm not seeing it. I'm not really... I'll go outside and take pictures in the sunlight to see if that makes a difference, but I'm just not getting the magical component to this. Like, it's just mediocre. And for the price and the fact that you're only getting 3 grams of product, nah, I'm just like, I'm good. So It's pretty. It's just not amazing. It's not anything that I'm dying for. Now, her jewel lips, which is what she's calling these glosses, are $32. She's up there, but it's Charlotte Tilbury and it's expected. So it's $32, and this says it's a new hydrating plump effect pillow pink glistening lip gloss with a dreamy rose gold sparkle. That's how she's describing Pillow Talk. And Walk of No Shame is a ruby red glittering lip gloss with a dreamy copper sparkle. I think her description is a little off, but we'll let that ride. These are really beautiful. They do feel really light on the lips, and I am getting, my lips do look fuller, and granted I did overline the top a little bit, but I do feel like they look juicy. They look plump. They are definitely super hydrated. I don't even feel like I have gloss on. I'm not gonna lie to you guys though, I am getting a little bit of a numbing effect from this. I don't know what it is, but let's see what this says. So this is Walk of No Shame is a confidence boosting ruby red lip gloss adorned with a warm copper sparkle for your lips that look wider and fuller, capturing the beautifying magic of my confidence charging, empowering russet ruby Walk of No Shame hue. My new jewel lips have been expertly created so that you can adorn yourself with a veil of jewels for mesmerizing lips. Yada, yada, yada. Let's get to why it's magic. Lasts up to 7 hours. Glide on to lips for a perfect looking palette that feels smoother, softer, and more hydrated. I doubt this is going to last 7 hours, but I will tell you guys, I doubt it's going to last 7 hours, but I will tell you that my lips do feel really hydrated. And I mean, I don't really have lines on my lips. I still see my little lines. It's not like I have these really exaggerated lines, but they don't look any smoother than they normally are. Hyaluronic acid magic hydrating powers. So this is infused with hyaluronic acid. Vitamin E film former polymer creates a soft, elegant, non-tacky feeling film over lips. Yes. It does not feel sticky. I'm telling you guys, I don't know if it's because I'm feeling a little numb, because I do feel numb. But I don't feel like I have a gloss on. I don't feel it. It's really lightweight. And when you first apply it, it does feel a little thick, which I'm okay with it, a little bit of a thick lip gloss. But this does feel really lightweight. And it doesn't feel sticky or thick, or it feels nice. Diamond powder infuses a jewel-like light, creating a luminosity and natural looking glow. Sure. Jewel tone pearls to create a multi-dimensional look. I don't think so. To be honest with you guys, I don't see it. Like, I see one shade. That's what I was telling you guys, that while I can see in the tube itself that there is a little bit of an iridescence, once you put it on, you don't really see it anymore. So I will wear this and see how long it lasts, but honestly, it's a gloss. It's not going to adhere to my lips any better than any other gloss I own. I don't think it's going to stain my lips, but I do like the glosses. I do think they're really pretty. I do feel that they are very hydrating. They feel very luxurious on the lips. You know, it doesn't feel thick or goopy. Applying it was very easy and smooth and comfortable. This is where I stand. I love the glosses. Do you need them? We'll see. We'll see how they wear. I don't foresee anything miraculous happening. They are really beautiful. They are very comfortable. And I'm telling you guys, I do think that my lips look a little fuller. I'm pretty positive that my lips look a little fuller. Damn, I'm tempted. I'm gonna take it off. My lips are definitely a little fuller. I don't know what's in here, but it is, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. There is some plumping. When you first apply it, you don't feel it. I felt it after having Pillow Talk on for maybe a minute or so. So this is Walk of No Shame. This is the one I'm going to keep on, and we'll see how it wears. I think that this would probably be the best option to show you guys how it wears. I like it. I mean, I like the glosses, and I'm starting to feel a little bit of this tingling on the outer corners. Okay, so the gloss, if there is a plumping component, she does mention that it plumps, but there is nothing in this formula other than right now that I feel a little bit of, again, it's like a numbing feeling. It doesn't even feel like a burning feeling or discomfort. It just feels a little bit numb. If there is something in this formula to add some plump and fullness to your lip, it's not a bad price. Again, $32 for a gloss. It's really up to you guys. Glosses don't really wear super long, and because of that, I would always say you can probably skip that. I mean, I do have some Pat McGrath. I do have some Marc Jacobs glosses, and honestly, like, this is really nice. But again, glosses don't wear like a lipstick. Now, this pot, no me gusta. I don't think it's anything to write home about. I don't think that it is anything that is really spectacular or out of this world. I will go take some pictures in sunlight to see if there really is something different about this, but honestly, I feel like the other pots I have are significantly better than this because they do add shine, they do add, you know, like this metallic finish, they do add something special to a look, and they're toppers. This could be a topper, this could be an eyeshadow, the same that any other pot could be, but I'm just not wowed by it. I would say go look at some other pots in the market. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I will let you guys know in a pinned comment if this gloss wore well or what my final thoughts are, but I will say that I do like them. I do like how they feel, and again, look at my lips. They do look fuller. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I do upload 3 videos a week and I don't want you to miss any of them, and I would like for you to subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure to leave a comment down below letting me know what your thoughts are on this collection. For me, it's just meh. I think the standout products are for sure the glosses. Thank you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.